Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. Yaki means grilled or cooked, and niku means meat. During a trip to Japan, I had some excellent yakiniku at a couple of places in Osaka. When I got home, I made a yakiniku dinner with Japanese Wagyu beef. See my separate video on Wagyu beef. This video is a scrapbook of those delicious experiences. So let's start dining. Okay, tonight we're going to do yakiniku. We've done a couple of other lessons on yakiniku, but this one is mixing yakiniku at home with yakiniku that I had in Tokyo on a recent trip. We're using this Igiyake grill here. We have some Japanese A5 Kagoshima Farms beef, and we have some asparagus and some negi onions, sugar snap peas, garlic cloves, and a slice of onion. And then we're going to be dipping that into yakiniku sauce with some sesame seeds. And we also have some sancho pepper and some sea salt. And we're going to be washing it down with this Naruto-tai sake. I love this stuff. My favorite. It's a nama, which means it's unpasteurized. But there's not a lot of that left. So I'm going to move on to this Kurumatsu Junmai Daiginjo. Haven't had it. Should be great. When you see a bottle wrap like this, it usually means that it's pretty nice sake. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to light the grill and cook and take some video here and there, take some still shots here and there, and that's what you'll see in the video. I'm not going to be doing any narration as I cook and eat. You can just see the way it works.